Hey there, friendlies.
Hey there, friendlies.
Hey there, friendlies. We're at the Parc de Liesse for another little nature walk. One thing we forgot about was that on Sundays, there's a lot of people here skiing and stuff. But it's okay, because you know what? We're surrounded by trees instead of cars, so we're going to call that a win. Are we calling that a win?
Oh yeah, I'm calling that a win. I got this for you.
Oh, Twizzlers. Thanks.
It's Réglisse. You want it?
Do you know what réglisse is in English?
Twizzlers?
No, licorice.
Oh, here, you want it?
No.
I thought licorice was the black one.
Same, yeah, that too.
Do you want it? Here.
Thanks for that. You know, it's funny because I used to really, it's actually kind of hot. I mean, it's cold, but because we're running around and doing stuff, it's actually kind of hot.
Yeah, that is right.
Now, I think I've said this before in a previous video, but I don't remember. So if I have, then just bear with me. I used to really not like winter sports or winter activities or any of that. I just didn't see the fun, didn't like downhill skiing. I did like cross country when I was a kid, but I haven't done that in years and years. But two things in recent-ish years have changed that for me. One I'd say about a decade ago now, the missus and I discovered snowshoeing, which I do love. And the other thing that really changed the way I see winter is that.
Sorry.
Did you say we're allowed to barbecue here?
Look, we're a barbecue here. Picnic. Oh, we're allowed to picnic here. So we can barbecue. No, why can't we touch flowers? Of course we're not shooting stuff, but why can't we feed? Why can't we drink wine? Why no suitcases?
It's not suitcases, Camille.
Oh, what is it then?
That's big bonbons de gaz.
What? Okay, I don't want to play.
How'd you get all the way over there?
Behind the rock.
Oh, for God's sakes.
Come on, go.
Okay.
So we gotta head back because the sun's going down. You already saw, right? Look. So yeah, we gotta go head back because we're not allowed or we can stay here and get stuck. But we gotta head back to the car or else my mom's gonna worry.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Right.
I'll see you in the car.
Okay, the Chalet d'Accueil des Champs is where we're looking to go. Oh, and evidently Camille already knows that. Well, okay then. Okay. So, while we were walking, Camille had gum in her mouth and she dropped it on the ground.
Cause I was walking, and then my gum fell out and it fell on the floor. But I picked it up because I thought if we leave it there, it's bad treating nature.
Exactly. So, for those of you who don't know, we don't treat
So don't treat nature well. You have to treat nature well and know how to respect the world.
Excellent words from someone so young.
I'm calling birds. No? Love those.
So, we're back in the car. It's a cold car, but it's just warm enough that it's caused a little fogging action on my lens. We've got a little bit of hot chocolate action going on over here, but it's a little hot still.
It's burnt. I took a sip and oh my gosh.
So, while we wait for the hot chocolate to cool off, I guess that's pretty much it. The sun's gone, you know? Excuse me. So, as I always say, if you like what we're doing here, then please get the conversation started down below. This week we want to ask
if you're taking well care of nature in the woods.
Yes, are you the type who likes to leave no trace? If you see some garbage on the ground, you pick it up and take it with you? Or are you kind of like nature's out there to be used as a resource? Let us know. All opinions are welcome in the conversation. Aside from that, please share the video. That helps us more than you think. Aside from that, if you are not yet a subscriber, then please jump on that, will you? And if you are a subscriber, then hit that little bell and leave me a smiley thumb.
If you don't like what we're doing, leave us a frowny thumb.
A frowny thumb.
Hey, why don't you put your...
Thanks for watching, guys.